Okay, I've been asked a couple of questions about how I bag sub, so here we go. First, I run the BBFFU to clean all the air in the room, and then once that's done, I get my setup to where I've got my bags, I've got some alcohol, and I've got a quart jar. I measure with a quart jar. I do not measure by weight, so this is how I do it. So I make sure my hands are done. Some people say a lot of this is unnecessary. I definitely find it necessary. So I bring the bag back to the edge of the table to where it's in line with the BBFFU and only clean air is blowing across it. And I have my jar ready. So what you can't see down here is my cooler that I keep my sub in. I just open it up. Now, when I fill it right to where the curvature of the jar is. And in front of the fan, oh my God, not like that. Okay, so that was Beard's lesson in what not to do. All right, so let's try this again. Up to the line, open your bag, dump it in. That's quart 2. And this is quart 3. Now, in front of the fan, make sure that the clean air is blowing across it. You have all 3 in there. Now, you can either take this as it is and quickly move it into a hood, or however you're going to do it. This is how I do it, right? Like, it's ready to go. My jars have been ISO'd down and are sitting inside ready to go. And I can just spawn it right there. Or if it's going to be for storage, like I'm going to just bag this up and have it ready for storage. I smooth it out a little bit. I pinch the gussets together, like how it's folded when you get it, all the way down to the bottom. And I always make sure that the patch, the filter patch, is going to go toward the fold. So make the gusset fold it all the way down to the sub. Alright, just like that. We're doing it for storage. They will stack very nice and neatly, compact, and you can make how many ever bags you make, and store them in the cooler after you've rinsed it out and dried it out. Alright guys, so that should do it all for how I bag sub. Got any questions? Put them down in the comment section. If you like my content, please like and share the videos, and subscribe. Oh, and if you want to get notifications for when the new videos drop, just hit that little bell icon and it'll let you know every new video I've got. Alright guys, y'all stay safe out there and happy cultivating.